In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to GoHighLevel calendars. By the end of this walkthrough, every booking on your GoHighLevel calendar can automatically include a Zoom meeting link, which is perfect for sales calls, client meetings, and coaching sessions. Let's get you set up the right way. Start inside your GoHighLevel account. From the left sidebar, open Settings, then choose Calendars, and go to the Connections tab. This is the central place where GoHighLevel links your calendars to external tools, so it's where we'll establish the bridge to Zoom. At the top, make sure you've selected the correct user under My Staff. This part matters because Zoom connects on a per-user basis rather than across the entire account. If you manage multiple team members, always switch to the specific user whose bookings need Zoom links. That ensures the right Zoom account is tied to the right calendar. Next, open the Video Conferencing tab. This is where you'll see options for conferencing tools that can be linked to your calendars, including Zoom. Click Add New, then choose Zoom. If you're not already signed into Zoom in your browser, you'll be prompted to log in. When the authorization screen appears, click Authorize to give GoHighLevel permission to create meetings on your behalf. Take a second to confirm you're authorizing the correct Zoom account, especially if you use more than one. If you see any browser pop-ups during this step, allow them so the connection can complete. Once connected, you should see your Zoom email displayed with a status that shows connected. You may also notice a brief success message confirming the link. If the status doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or reopen the tab and check again. Now that Zoom is connected to your user, assign it to the calendar where you want links to appear. Go back to Settings, select Calendars, and open the specific calendar you use for bookings. Look for the meeting location or conferencing section and set it to Zoom. This tells GoHighLevel to automatically generate a Zoom link each time someone books on that calendar. Finally, click Save Changes. From this point forward, new appointments on that calendar will include a Zoom meeting link in confirmations and reminders, saving you time and reducing back and forth with clients. That's it. You've successfully connected Zoom to your GoHighLevel calendar. If you manage a team, remember each user should connect their own Zoom account. If access is ever removed or your Zoom credentials change, simply revisit these steps to reconnect. Thanks for watching.